Hi, I'm Shari Berkowitz of the Vertical Workshop. A lot of people in the fitness world cue to squeeze your butt or clench your glutes. It's not a functional action. Feel what it's like to squeeze your butt. I mean, give it a good squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And then, what is it like to do the actual actions of gluteus maximus? One of which is, if you keep a stable pelvis, so rotate your pubic bone forward or keep your pubic bone forward and reach your thigh bone back, whether it's parallel or in external rotation, feel what glute maximus does. Now clench your butt again. Does that feel the same way as the real action of what gluteus maximus is? No, it doesn't. Now, you might feel a lot more action and muscularity in the clenching of your butt right now if you're used to doing that. But we've got to get the real actions of glute maximus to feel as powerful as a clench would be. So I just want to open up your mind to this. We've got to seek the strengthening of glute maximus in a way that is from actual actions or genuine actions of what the muscle does. So, do I have many ways of working with this? Yes, I do. Is that going to happen in this video now? No, I just want to open up your brain to it right now. Yes, if you want to work with it for a long period of time, or, oh, that sounded ridiculous. If you want to work with it for a few hours and then add it to your workouts, I encourage you to do my Brilliant Buttocks workshop. But for now, consider, are you clenching your glutes just to get them work? Or do you really have actions that make gluteus maximus work on their own? Are you setting up an environment that gets gluteus maximus to engage on its own? All right, think about it. Reach out to me if you have questions, and I encourage you to do my Brilliant Buttocks workshop.